Want to trigger actions when a player enters a specific area in your Roblox game? Let's set up a region detecting using Region 3 fast and easy. Step 1. Define the region. Create two vector 3 points that mark the corners of your region. Tip: you can adjust those numbers to fit your map size or use parts as markers. Step 2. Detect players in the region. Use a loop or a touched event to check who is inside. Step 3. Trigger custom actions. Inside the loop, you can teleport players, show a UI, deal damage, anything you want. And that's it. You've added a working region detection to your Roblox game using Region 3. Perfect for zones, traps, or secrets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this about Roblox and other programs.